already made a room. I don't even have a parrot yet. This is supposed to be blue because it's made out of mirrors, but I'll show you that when it turns to daytime. But anyways, this is my outfit for a parrot. Then ride dodo bird. Feathers, my neon diuncus. I think I'm pronouncing that right, but it's a fly and ride. See? It's neon. Oh, no, not that. Okay, let's do this robo-dog. See? I have to offer this robo-dog. This ride fly Dalmatian that I just got today. His name is Choco Mint, and I named him that. He's super cute. I really don't want to trade him, but if I want to get my dream, I have to. This neon bat named Hanger. Let's see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. This slam named Sushi. It's fully grown and it's flyable. This is another offer for a parrot. It's a junior. I'm trying to make a neon, but I can get my dreamy. So let's see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pets. I also offer this links. And if any of you guys in the comments have a parrot, you can choose from another lamb or this kangaroo pogo. You can choose from this griffin prophet. You could choose from stroller. You could choose from this kangaroo stroller, or you can choose this house stroller. So again, you can choose from this lamb, another lamb, or you can choose this, or this. This is my offer for a parrot. Bye guys. Oh wait, I also want to show you at daytime how the lake looks. You probably know how it looks. Oh look, man, I'm not that sweat. Okay, I'm gonna get out my dummy. So, this is what the lake looks like in the morning. It's like a little lagoon. And then there's a bench here. There's my parrot room when I get one. A little perch. Little bed. And a whole loft. His name's gonna be Cosmo. I don't know why. So it'd be kind of cute. And there's a shower. The food and water bowl's up here because parrots in real life sometimes eat on a table. I think that's super cool. But Choco Mint's gonna sleep here for now. But I also made him a room upstairs. It's all the way up here. See? So it's not done yet, but this is my start. So yeah, I'm also pretty good at parkour. But okay, Choco Mint. Go sleep. Well, yeah, this is my offer for a parrot. So, bye guys. I'm planning on posting this right now. So